We have to talk about Ripple and we have to talk about Bitcoin because yesterday XRP pumped 100%. And I'm currently up right now almost 100% on my Ripple long trade. This is the long setup I gave for free yesterday in my public live stream, guys. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because you do not want to miss one of the juicy, timely updates that we provide here every single day. As you can see by this article released on CNPC yesterday, XRP coin surges after judge delivers a huge win to Ripple in SEC case. That is right, guys. XRP is not a security, and we saw this thing pump about 100%. So what does this mean for cryptocurrency in general, and more specifically, what does this mean for Ripple? This Ripple chart is very, very bullish for a number of reasons. First of all, we came down right into this very important box of support, and when we came down to this level, we saw something extremely bullish on market Cipher B. This is the weekly time frame. As Ripple was making lower prices into this key box of support, we were watching market Cipher B print higher momentum waves over time. This is known as the uneven butt cheek pattern, where you have a very juicy left butt cheek followed by a very skinny right butt cheek, also known as a bullish divergence. And because of this bullish divergence, I've been publicly bullish on Ripple since January 1st. Actually took a long trade literally from the exact bottom. I gave the setup in advance in the Casper crew VIP Discord, as documented right here in this YouTube video. Right, yo, I'm outside in the cold naked with a rooster, and it turns out XRP just got a 1 minute candle that dropped down 12% in 1 minute. Can you even believe it? Now, the coolest thing about this is we dipped down right into a box that I've been prepared for all week. I posted this in the VIP Discord last week. We've even got bullish divergences on some pretty high time frames. So the moral of the story is this, guys. If you are prepared with your levels in advance and you know what you're looking for on your indicators, then you could literally make hundreds of dollars doing what I'm doing right now, and nobody knows exactly what that is. And so from that long trade that we took back in January, Ripple has now broken out of this giant ascending triangle, and we're coming back into the value area of the last bull market's range. Now, this is very, very significant because for any asset you trade, the market is always going to try to establish a fair value for that asset. And the way we can determine a fair value for an asset is by looking at the volume. Where were most market participants most willing to buy and sell the asset? This establishes a fair value area for us. When the price loses a fair value zone, it will establish a new fair value zone. But when the price re-enters an old fair value zone, it actually becomes more probable than not that we will fill to the top of that old value zone. Now we can see right here that XRP has come above 65 cents. 65 cents is super, super crucial because this is now low. This used to be a major area of resistance, but now that we're above it, it's potentially a major, major area of support. And so one of the major things that we need to be looking out for right now on XRP is a move back down to this 65 cent zone. Because if we get that, we could actually hold what used to be resistance now as support, giving us a very nice area to look for a long trade from a massive support resistance flip. Because we're looking to long the low of an old fair value zone, we could then look to take Ripple up to the top of this fair value zone around $1.25. Support resistance flips are some of the most powerful trades you can look for. This is actually how we were able to take a long on Bitcoin literally from the exact bottom right here, because we broke out of this inverted head and shoulders pattern and came back down for a retest. This is why we gave the setup in advance in the Casper crew VIP Discord. Now, by the way, if you want to join the Casper crew, where every single day we do multiple live streams, we give our swing trade, day trade setups, and it's a great community to learn. Check out the website, jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Discord. Links in the pinned comment and the description. Also, take advantage in the description of this video of the 25% coupon code for both of our trading courses if you want to learn how to do this the right way with longevity. And if you want to take advantage of this juicy price action, longing and shorting Bitcoin, check out my two favorite exchanges. MEXC, guys, literally an amazing deal on fees. You will not find anything better, period. 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees. Great for lower time frame traders. Link in the pinned comment, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus. Also, guys, if you're in the USA and you don't want to deal with a VPN or KYC, check out ZOOMEX, my other favorite go-to exchange, centralized exchange and a decentralized on the same platform. Link in the pinned comment and the description. There's going to be a trading competition coming up for ZOOMEX very, very soon. More info on that. I'm super excited. The second major level we need to be aware of for XRP in this bullish environment is simply just a retest now of the breakout of this ascending triangle pattern around 58 cents. This is also the golden pocket Fibonacci pull from the low to the high. So this is going to be a very key area as well. If we start to lose this, then I will lose my bullish bias on XRP. But for right now, I'm looking at the 65 cent and around the 56, 58 cent zone for XRP to potentially get in a trade of what could be one of the most massive moves in the coming next few weeks. We're potentially looking at another 100% move to the upside here. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Yesterday, Bitcoin came up to a very key level. If you were watching the live stream yesterday, you know I gave the level 31,750 as a very, very key level that we were watching and waiting for potential resistance. Well, in fact, we are finding resistance at resistance. What an earth-shattering thing. This is the level we've been waiting to short in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Setup was given earlier this week from that 31,750 area. Now, because we are at resistance, we need to objectively look at the charts and say, we could get a significant move to the downside from here. So I'm going to give you a set of criteria that I am currently looking at right now to manage the juicy swing long trade that I am in, as well as this long that I'm in from the low of the range, and how I'm actually going to be managing this short trade that I'm also in. First of all, we have to acknowledge the fact that we've come up to the high of a range that we've been trading for 3 weeks. In addition, when we take a look at our indicator market Cipher B, we can see that over time, the momentum waves are getting lower and the money flow on market Cipher B is getting lower as the price is getting higher, giving us the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man mammary gland pattern, where we can see the mammary flow is getting lower. The lumpy nipples are getting lower as the price is getting higher. This is a very, very bearish sign most of the time. However, we have to acknowledge we also had that sign right here, and it just led to a higher low, and now we've made a higher high. So what are the key zones that we really need to be aware of? For me, it's going to be this right here, the $30,500 level. This is the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement, and it is also the high volume node of this range. What that means is if this is a legitimate breakout, we can expect now the uptrend to continue from the time that we made this low at the bottom of the range, and then we made a higher high, and then we made a higher low, and then we made a higher high, and now we can look for another higher low. If we start to lose this, I will actually become a little bit more bearish on Bitcoin. I will probably close out more from this juicy swing long trade, as well, obviously, as this more local day trade that we took from the low of the range in the Casper Crew VIP Discord as well. That for me is very, very key. If we are going to hold these key supports, then I expect to move on Bitcoin up to the next major area of resistance. Area number one is going to be $33,000. This is the last area of resistance that we have before basically massive pump city territory. The second target I have, actually the next place I'm going to be taking profits on my juicy swing long trade, is going to be coming in at the $36,000 level. This is the 382 Fibonacci from the all-time high to the low we put in back in November. It's also the technical target of our long trade of the breakout and retest of this inverted head and shoulders trade, right? We're looking to take it up to at least 33K, potentially $36,000. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click that bell for notifications so that you don't miss a juicy crypto update. May God bless everybody watching and listening. In the name of Yeshua, Jesus, the Messiah, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!